Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see about modifying a restored DB instance. As soon as the restore operation is complete, you should associate the custom security group used by the instance you restored from with any applicable custom DB parameter group that you might have. Only the default DB parameter and the security groups are associated with the restored instance. If you want to restore the functionality of the DB instance that the snapshot was created from, you must modify the DB instance to use the security group and the parameter group used by the previous DB instance. We recommend that you retain parameter groups for any DB snapshots you have so that you can associate a restored instance with the correct parameter file. To modify a restore DB instance, choose the restore DB instance which you want to modify the database settings. Choose modify. In the modify DB instance page, scroll down this page. In the connectivity sections, remove default security group and choose custom security group. Scroll down this page. Additional configurations, public access, choose publicly accessible. Scroll down this page. In the additional configuration section for DB parameter group, choose custom DB parameter group. Scroll down this page. In the backup section, if you want, you can disable or reduce or increase the backup retention period. Also, if you want, you can change the backup time. Scroll down this page. Enable performance insights. Scroll down this page. Here, if you want, you can change the maintenance window. Then enable direct protection. Then choose continue. In the summary of modification, you can validate current value and new value. Scroll down this page. For scheduling of modifications, you can choose apply immediately and choose modify DB instance. Now, DB instance status is modifying state. It will take some time to modifying the DB instance. Now, DB instance status is available state. If you want, you can check the modified values. For checking the modified values, you need to choose your DB instance. In the database page, choose configuration tab. Scroll down this page. DB parameter group has been changed, but we need to reboot our DB instance. Scroll up this page, choose action, choose reboot. In the reboot DB instance page, choose confirm. Now database is rebooting state. It will take a few minutes. Now DB instance is available state. Choose the database. In this page, choose configuration tab. Here we are seeing the performance insights enabled and the deletion protection also enabled. Now DB parameter group is in sync. If you want, you can check the security group details in the connectivity and the security tab. Here security group also changed. And even public accessibility is yes. For viewing Amazon RDS recommendations, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.